Just like that, guys. This thing will be great around the house or for little projects. Maybe you're camping and need to cut up some little firewood. This saw by Hardell is the saw for you. Now we're going to try a little bit bigger piece of wood. Let's check it out. So this is the case this Hardell 6-inch mini chainsaw comes in. When you open it up here, you got your oil up here, your directions. Got the saw itself. It's a nice good size. Got some hand protection, some kickback protection so you don't cut yourself. This kit here comes with 2 batteries, so you can always keep an extra one charged. It also has the battery charger, a tool that you would need to work on the kit, on the chainsaw itself, some work gloves, and some extra chains. So if you guys are looking for a great chainsaw by Hardell, this will be perfect around the house. Click the link in this video and get you one of these right now.